Whoa. What a night it was for crypto. I was up all night watching that crash, guys. We actually crashed down to 55k. We got some stuff to be looking through in today's video, so strap up, chill out, like the video. Let's get into it. Yesterday, Fidelity sold 2,812 Bitcoin, the second largest outflow ever. Okay, we had a lot of outflows yesterday. If you guys want to go and see the inflows and outflows on CoinMarketCap, go to this little cryptocurrencies drop down there, guys. It will say Bitcoin ETF, and you can see here on the 30-day chart the inflows and outflows. I mean, we've had some pretty big outflows over the past week. If you click flows here, guys, you can see the total flows, inflows or outflows on each day, broken down into all the different ETFs. Okay, so if you want to see it in detail, you guys can sit there and you can see it in detail and you can figure out, right, are the ETFs really playing games with us? But it wasn't only crypto, so don't feel too bad. It was the stock market as well. The stock market wiped out 1 trillion from US stocks yesterday. Nvidia had like the biggest negative day it's had in a very long time. You can see it was a minus 9% day. That is a big chunk. You're talking about like 100 billion plus through 200, 300 billion for Nvidia just wiped out of the US stock market. And we will check our Bitcoin charts to figure out if we're still on the way down. We're going to find out if ICP is still on the way down as well. Should we be shorting this thing? Some of you guys had a bit of a mixed opinion. You said don't short it. That's fine. October going to be the breakout month, guys, because in the past 2 cycles, we have had an October breakout. So you can see here from the halvings, guys. I mean, we have the halving, bull, bear, sideways. Halving, bull, bear, sideways. Halving, bull, bear, sideways. Halving, bull. So if this is playing out to plan, does that mean that we're going to have our top in November of next year? We're not going to peak this year. It could be November 2025 if we do follow these bull cycles that we've been following for the past 3 cycles, guys. Okay, that would mean that all the top callers early this year would be wrong. Everybody who sells mid of next year would be wrong. And people could get wrecked because they sell early and then they try to play catch up. Or they get wrecked because they sell in this part and they think, right, where's the bull? And they sell all their crypto, they buy up here, and then what happens? They get dumped on all throughout the bear market, guys. Everyone's going to say, you know, next year, if we are still pumping at that time, that it's going to be an extended cycle and we're going up forever. Okay, just bear that in mind. We are not going up forever. Now, are you following the smart money? Are you following dumb money? Are you being retail? Are you just looking outside of the charts and saying what is actually going on in the world of crypto? Because Samsung is to enter Bitcoin and the crypto space in the next few days. It'd be very interesting to see if phone companies now do start to integrate as something that is very entry level for pretty much all devices, guys. So you can let me know what you think. Are you iPhone gang? Are you Samsung gang? Are you an Android? Let me know. And then boom, is the bull run over? Is everything over for our cryptocurrencies? Because just in $290 billion, Zurich Cantonal Bank launches Bitcoin and crypto offerings to their customers. We're getting more real world adoptions now from banks. They can't fight it, guys. And remember what we've got coming up very soon, guys. We've got the rate cuts coming up. Bank of Canada reduces policy rate by 25 basis points. Okay. Will the Federal Reserve cut rates next? You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. But we do have to remember what we are planning for in the future, because I know there's going to be a lot of you guys who saw the price action yesterday. People saying that they're fed up, that they're giving up. Are we just too late in the cycle? Or is this the part of the cycle that is made to shake out the weakest hands and then the strongest hands do get rewarded? Remember, everybody can't win in crypto, and they're going to try to do as many games as they can to make sure that you guys do not hold on to make life-changing wealth. Right, why should I be holding Bitcoin? Look at the purchasing power of Bitcoin, guys. We're going to let that roll one more time. And then this is like a little side note, guys. Little side note for all of you. What type of top signal is this? What is Scottie Pippen talking about, right? Who's an NBA fan? Scottie Pippen tweeted last night. I couldn't believe it when I saw it. Satoshi Nakamoto visited me in my dream last night and predicted that Bitcoin would be at 84,650 on November the 5th. Not financial advice. What do you guys think? Is Scottie Pippen, is he the new crypto lord? Is Satoshi Nakamoto dead? Is he a telepath? Did he visit retired NBA players and tell them what the price was going to be on the 5th of November. You can let me know what you think. But we stay investing in coins that are building. Okay, so we're going to watch this very, very quickly, and then you guys can let me know if you think that ICP is a good investment or not.
Just 3 minutes, I'll update you on all the major happenings within the Internet Computer Protocol. This month was sizzling, and not just because of the heat. Chain fusion technology has made impressive strides this year, achieving its ambitious roadmap goals. This month, the Deuterium milestone went live, introducing Threshold Schnorr signing for Taproot assets, like ordinals, runes, and BRC20 tokens, along with on-chain Bitcoin block headers to ICP. Now dApps can harness Bitcoin security and liquidity without intermediaries, marking a game changer for the Bitcoin network. Liquidity is getting stronger on ICP. In August, Plug Wallet announced that CKEURC is live, joining other stablecoin twins like CKUSDT, Mint, store, send, swap, and more. The best part? No gas fees. And you can integrate it simply with other ICP dApps. Say hello to Rainbow Protocol, where the unmatched security of Bitcoin meets the limitless possibilities of programmable assets. Rainbow unleashed its virtual machine, allowing developers to deploy Turing-complete smart contracts on Bitcoin and build new financial tools and dApps. Water Neuron was one of the fastest growing DeFi protocols on any chain last month. And in August, they announced cross-DAO collaboration around the only decentralized liquid staking protocol. Their new canister allows DAOs to stake with just one treasury proposal. Students in Japan are gearing up for the ICP Hub Japan Student Leadership Program. This opportunity provides a touchpoint for students who want to be at the forefront of Web3 and launch new projects on ICP. ICP Hub Indonesia pulled out all the stops for Bali Crypto Week. From an exciting chain fusion day with industry leaders and a keynote by Dfinity's chief scientist, Dominic Williams, to a packed hacker house, the 36-hour non-stop chain fusion hacker house at CoinFest Asia was buzzing with hackers building a multi-chain future. Tap Protocol unveiled a groundbreaking achievement: the first ever Bitcoin native smart contracts, swaps, and liquidity pools on Bitcoin Layer 1. Leveraging chain fusion technology, Tap Protocol is ushering in a new DeFi era on Bitcoin. Encode Club and ICP are hosting the Chain Fusion Bitcoin Edition Educate series, and signups are currently open. This series encourages devs to learn about how they can use the Bitcoin integration on ICP to develop new dApps using runes, ordinals, BRC20s, and more. Chain Fusion technology is set to dominate 2024, and the stats prove it. Adoption of CK tokens like CKBTC, CKETH, CKUSDC, and CK Sol, which is coming soon, is soaring. Query and update messages to the fiduciary subnet PZP6E have surged over 11 times in the past year, and that's just scratching the surface. Make sure to follow along on X for the latest updates each month. And remember, all of this is only possible on ICP.
Now, we come to the total 3 altcoin market cap. We said we wanted to hold this green line. So far, we're finding support of it, guys. We've zoomed into the hourly. Usually, I do show you guys this on the daily or weekly or something like that. Look, we're holding this upper area of the channel. It would be very lovely to see us just, trickle across this area and then have a breakout into the end of September, maybe the rate cuts, maybe into Pumptober. That would be fantastic. We are still looking at a $600 billion breakout for us to go super long with our altcoins. And then ICP, I had a lot of mixed opinions in the comments yesterday saying, why would you short it? That's so dumb shorting it. Well, I'm just trying to play the market to trade and stack as much ICP as I can. And I still stick to my DCA. But I do have a pretty cool giveaway for all of you guys who do want to trade. Blowfin are now giving away up to $10,000 in futures bonuses for all of you guys who do sign up via my link. If you deposit just $100, then you can get a $30 futures bonus, $500, $200. If you deposit $500, then you can get a $200 bonus. All the way up to depositing 20k, you get a $10,000 bonus. So again, this is going to be valid for the next 2 weeks for everybody who wants to go and trade with me on Blowfin. Go and join the Telegram. You can join the private community if you want as well. That's just something that Blowfin have agreed with me to give back to all of you guys. But it looks like Bitcoin could still be playing out the bear case scenario, with this being the bull trap. And let's actually annotate that as well so that you guys can say, right, this was the bull trap. And while we've had a small relief rally, I mean, we are still technically in a downtrend, guys. We're still in a bearish trend. So while everyone is probably saying, oh my God, we've just pumped up, ICP's gone back up, all of our altcoins have gone back up, we really haven't reclaimed any structure that could make us start to say, right, we're going to go and flip bullish tomorrow, guys. You have to bear that in mind, and remember, this is a prime opportunity for all of you guys to be getting super cheap altcoins. I'm going to be picking up a bunch in this area. Like I said here, I'm going to be looking at 54.6k as a big area of support, and then again, if we do complete this full breakdown, we're going to go to the bear case at just above 47k, guys. Okay, about 47.5k. But guys, please do remember where we are on the grand scale of things. If everybody who is watching the video does think that we can at least recapture the all-time high, we're getting a 176% move for ICP. I do still believe that we're going to be getting much higher than that. Again, there's going to be people online that say, right, $500 and all of that rubbish. I'm not aiming for $500. We'll be getting out at around 50 all the way to 150. But again, if you want to get a head start before this next price discovery, guys, then again, you know, the time is now. Even if we do go down to $6, $5 again, double bottom, that's absolutely fine with me. I'm going to continue to buy, guys. But don't be one of these people who waits for $20 and then starts to get in them, because you're not going to be getting returns. And that is the biggest reason why people don't make money in crypto, guys. So you can let me know what your plan is in the comments. So that's it. If you made it this far, please be sure to support the channel by smashing that like button and drop me a sub if you would like to. And I'm going to see you tomorrow. Peace.